Hello and welcome to my Weebly website. My name is Lindsay Matthews and I'm going to be going over my website. Here's my bibliography. I'm currently going to CWI for elementary education with a minor in English. I plan on finishing my bachelor's degree at BSU. I love reading, it's my passion, and I want to teach children how to read, so I'd like to teach 1st or 2nd grade, possibly 7th and 8th grade English. Here is my Word page, and I have 2 lesson plans that I uploaded. One is for 2nd grade social studies on landforms. And the second assignment I uploaded is based on The Lorax by Dr. Seuss, an English lesson plan. I also have my PowerPoint page, and the PowerPoint that I uploaded is on geography with the landforms. And I built a web quest. There's the URL. And I did my lesson plan on beavers, which is 3rd grade science. Here's my welcome page. Oh, don't want that. Here's the introduction, going over what the students should expect, with some links to National Geographic and Smithsonian that gives information and facts on beavers. WebQuest has been running really slow, so I might have to skip some of these pages to save time. I'm not quite sure why this is going on, but I built all the pages per assignment, and it did take a while because it's been running so slow. So we'll just go back to the Weebly. And I have my classroom technologies. I did it on the Common Core, and here's a YouTube video that I uploaded that goes over that program. Last but not least will be the Screen-O-Matic page that I'm going to upload as soon as I finish this recording. Thank you for looking at my assignment.